Hello everyone. In our lesson 313, we are going to look into two basic functionalities, that is VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. This is a new thing that is added to the Excel 2019 and latest one. There are very much loophole. There are lots of loopholes are there in VLOOKUP that already explained in last session, that is lesson 12, and how it is covered up by index match. But Excel has done a lots of work on this and brought a new functionality known as the XLOOKUP. So here is a table where a list of players are here. We want to populate which game they play from this reference table. So let's see. Straightforward, we write the functionality with the VLOOKUP. We want to look the values of the player in the table array, and the value that we want to populate is the game that is there in the column number 2, and we want to have an exact match and just enter. As I've used the table format, so all values are populated automatically. Formatting a table is here. You can format it and format this particular table, and the values will be populated accordingly. Now let's see how we can use the XLOOKUP. First we will fill up a minimum values that is required. Here we want to see which value we want to refer from this table, which this value should be referred from or find from this column. Hence I have select the lookup array this. Next, in response of this, I want to populate the game, so I select this array. And now for time being, now let's enter this much value and just see. You can see the values are populated properly. Now suppose here you will see a difference, as if I insert here, the value at VLOOKUP got removed. It gives the value whatever present here, but XLOOKUP value is doesn't impacted by change or insertion of any column. Hence this is the merit of XLOOKUP. There is one more thing advantageous to here. If we insert, if this person, this Steve Smith, is not available here, then it should populate a string. Suppose I want to write not found and enter. Now same thing will be populated everywhere, but here if I remove this and write here SS, the variable there is Steve Smith, as if it is not present in this table, it will show not found. But that thing is not possible in VLOOKUP. Hence you can see what is the merit and demerit of using a VLOOKUP, and how that can be mitigated by using the XLOOKUP is properly shown here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to have more tips and tricks on Excel.